Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dharmesh. I know it has been very long that I posted a vlog on my Taigun over there. There are a couple of points that I really wanted to make, but I'm generally brutally honest about what I make my videos on. So a lot of thinking goes behind before I make my videos, and also I have been very busy with a lot of on the work front, so I was not getting time. But there are a couple of really interesting points that I found out about my Taigun because it just completed 15,000 kilometers. So I'll make a separate video on that. So there are three things that you can't avoid if you are a car owner, right? And the first thing is it getting dirty, right? You have to keep it clean. The second thing is the scratches, and third thing is the dents. This is in India, you can't help, right? But at least there are some things that you can do to make sure that you maintain it properly. So I used to have an earlier the new gen i20, for which I used to wash it every Saturday, and I follow the same practice for my car as well. I wash it every Saturday. Really big car, and it takes a lot of effort and time to get this cleaned. And also i20 was a very lower height car, right? So ground clearance is not that much. So it was really very easy to wash and clean. So for me, it takes around 1.5 hours to just clean this, vacuum it, and keep it very neat. So yeah, so my GoPro's battery died. I just came back from Goa last week, and I didn't charge it from then. And that vlog will be live soon because I maintained my Taigun. So that will be. I think you would have watched it by now, or else it will come soon. So what I was saying was, it takes me around 1.5 hours to clean my car, both from the external side and the inside, and without polishing, right? So just vacuuming and cleaning the car, it takes me 1.5 hours, and generally it goes till 2 hours if there's a lot of mush and mud around it, right? Because I do even the deep cleaning of the alloys and all whenever I wash it every Saturday. So I really wanted to make this process a little simple, so I went ahead and bought an pressure washer box that it came in. I'll be unboxing that in this video. Probably I'll show you the wash once I unbox it, probably in a day or two. But for now, let's limit this video for unboxing this and why I bought specifically the Bosch. Um, so there were multiple options online when I was checking for an pressure car washer. So I liked one particular brand called as a Capicon. There's a lot of marketing done on YouTube, but I was seeing the YouTube reviews of the particular brand. I think it was good. The quality was great and all, but I am not a big fan of online purchase of products, specifically that runs on electricity, any gadget or something, right? I don't purchase online. I prefer buying it from the shop. I tried for close to 1 month in Hyderabad to get this washer from a shop, but I couldn't get it. It was not in stock, and they said that they would order, and then it was taking a lot of time. Then they said you buy it from online also, it is okay. So I went ahead and bought this online just because I know that there's a service center near me, wherein if there is an issue, I can go ahead and get this serviced in warranty or whatever it is, right? So I am confident of that. So that's the reason I went and bought this. But if you have a place where you can go and buy it in a shop, please go and get it there. I would suggest that, right? So there are, and the other reason that I went for was this is expensive. This is expensive by at least 5,000 rupees. I'll tell you why 5,000 rupees. It's just 3,000 expensive, but a total of 5,000 rupees because of the foam cannon as well. So the reason I went for Bosch is branded stuff is always branded, man. No matter which company you do, there's no problem. You buy a Capicon or probably Star Q or whatever. If you're getting those available in your city physically in a shop, go ahead and purchase it because you know that you can catch hold of someone if there's some problem with the product. And Bosch is something that you can find its warranty all over India. So I think that makes it safer bet. So 2,000 rupees more for this product makes sense. So that's the reason I went for Bosch, even though it is a little expensive. And not many people will try to sell you this even in the shops because the margin of profit on this Bosch car pressure washer is less. So if you go to a shop also, they'll try to sell their own Chinese products. Again, it's up to you, right? So if you know a shop that has been there for decades and they can fix it for you if there's an issue, please go ahead and get a washer that suits you, correct? So that's the reason I got this washer. And there's a lot of mush and mud on your car. It gets really difficult to wash with your normal cloth or hand or bucket water. You really need the foam to be thick. When you have a watery foam, it doesn't help you loot the mud out of the panels of the car, right? And that will really cause some damage to the paint because you have to apply some pressure and all. So you need to really have a thick foam, and that only comes with a proper pressure washer. You can't even have it with a small do-it-yourself kind of stuff you find on YouTube. You don't get that kind of a product, right? So And then you have to be really careful while washing when you're washing without a pressure washer or just with a bucket and a cloth and a sponge or something, right? Because you don't want to scratch it with the dirt that is on the car. So that is the reason I think I thought all of this. It took me 2-3 months to make a decision to get a washer and which brand, but finally I have it right now.
तो केक में नहीं है ना? Wow.
Alright, so this is the Bosch Aquatech 125. This is a universal range of products from Bosch. Generally, you would need an advanced product for your car. So it is strictly for domestic use. As you can see, it has a maximum of 125 bar pressure. So that is more than enough, and it's a maximum. It's not at a constant rate, right? So you need to make sure that you use this at a stretch of a couple of minutes and switch it off, and then use it back again, just to not overheat the product, right? So let's open this. Okay, so this was the seal. I just cut it open. Good to know that the seal is intact. Generally, online products don't come with that, right? Okay, so these are the inlet and outlet connectors. Let's put that aside for some time. Right, so this is for the gun extender. This is a pipe. Yeah, so I think this is an outlet pipe, I believe.
Pipe.
क्या बेटा वो?
Pipe. Pipe.
This is the foam cannon that comes in by default, but this really gives watery foam, and this is not that useful, to be really frank. So I'll not be using that anyways. And this is okay. So this is one handsome looking unit. Looks very premium and posh. Obviously, it's from Bosch. It has this 2 wheels on the side, so you can drag it out, right? It comes with a very neat power cable. This is the gun. You have the power on-off switch over here, right? And not too much in terms of accessories. If you can see, they gave us a manual that probably I don't need right now. And then it comes with this is an outlet pipe where by default it comes in, and it also comes with a foam cannon or something. You call it a foam cannon or soap cannon, whatever it is. This doesn't generate foam. It is very watery. So most people don't use it. Even I'm not going to use it because I'll be using this JPT. I'll show you that in a minute. And then you get your inlet outlet connectors. So the only thing you need to purchase out of the box would be an inlet pipe, or probably the assumption from Bosch is that you would be having a pipe at home that you can use. But I have ordered another filter so that I can just put it in a bucket and extract water out of it and use it, so that I can save a lot of water as well, right? And it'll be easier for me to use this instead of connecting it to a tap or something. So this is the important part. So I got this JPT professional foam gun. So I think I got it for around 3,000 rupees. I think I'll link the product details from Amazon below. This is important because this will replace your default foam gun, and this will really give you a thick foam that will help you minimize your effort on cleaning the car, and also minimize the number of scratches that you can put on your car while washing it. So let's see what's in this. So this is a very big plastic can for foam wash. So basically what he says on the bottle is 100 ml of shampoo or foam wash, and then add 900 ml of water. So basically this is a 1 liter bottle, I believe. And with it specifically, I have got this specifically for Bosch. You need to remember that for Bosch it doesn't fit by default. You get an adapter for this, like this. So this is an adapter that you get specifically for Bosch that connects to your water pressure gun, right? And then you have a default connector that comes with it. Oh, this is heavy. this is heavy, right? See, this is the connector that comes with it. So this is the important part which actually creates a lot of thick foam. So that's about the video, guys, about Bosch. So these are the items that came in the Bosch box, and I ordered a separate JPT cannon that I showed you. So I'll just connect all of these, and I'll wash my car probably tomorrow, day after tomorrow, in the weekend, and then I will properly show you what is this capable of and how this is helping me clean the car, how much time it is taking for me to clean it. And one more thing is, if you notice, whenever you go for a car wash outside, right, where they do this pressure wash, you will immediately notice that your car shines like very new car, right? But when you do a wash at home with water and even with soap water, right, it doesn't shine that much. That is because of the foam quality that comes out of this. So that is what I want, right, to keep it looking new always. So this is really important. Weekly once, this is very good enough for me. So hope you guys like the video. Please do share, like, and subscribe. This is Dharmesh signing off. Please do comment and let me know if you want to know any information about this or any other product. There are a couple of more Taigun videos coming up. I'm planning to add a couple of more accessories. But I'll let you. And there are a few things that I would want to do a 15,000 kilometers review of the car, because I went on 2 long trips as well. That is coming up. Please stay tuned. This is Dharmesh signing off. Peace.